To start, I'd love to introduce Patrick Stokes, the Senior Vice President of Integration Cloud, to tell you a little bit more about this amazing new technology. Patrick?
Oh, we blew it. How you doing, guys? Good morning, TDX. They told me I should dance when I get up on stage. What do you guys think? Wasn't very good, was it? I'm not going to dance. Good morning. I am so excited to be here at TDX this morning, to be surrounded by so many just inspiring people like Zach, who are doing just these amazing things for themselves, for their businesses, but I think more importantly, for their local communities. It's really just incredible. And that's why I feel so privileged and honored to be on this stage today to introduce you all for the very first time to our brand new cloud, the Salesforce Integration Cloud. I'm really excited to walk you through what that looks like. Now, before I get started, this is going to be a little bit different than some of the other presentations you're going to see this week. And that's because this is largely a sneak peek. This is a sneak peek into what we've been working on for the last few months and what we're going to continue to be working on really aggressively over these next few years. And so we want to just jump right in and show you what that looks like. Now, Brett talked a little bit earlier about the importance of having connected customer experiences. And nowhere is that more important for me than in the service experience. It's one I think about all the time. When I call into a service agent or I pull out my phone and I chat into some sort of customer service interaction, I just want my problem to be solved quickly. I don't want the complexity of their infrastructure to be inflicted into my experience. I don't want them to have to ask me the same questions they ask me over and over again, and I don't want them to have to forward me on to somebody else who can better handle my problem. Well, here's a little secret. The customer service agent on the other side, they get all the heat for this, but they want the same thing. They want to be able to help me quickly as well. They get tired of asking the same questions over and over again. They get tired of having to open up a new tab in their system, type in a bunch of account information into a disconnected system in order to help me with my problem. And that is where the Salesforce Integration Cloud comes in. It is our mission to enable everyone in this room, all of the developers, the admins, the SIs and partners, to connect every system in your ecosystem, to connect all of your customers within those systems, and to connect the experiences that those customers have on any device that they need to have it. That's our mission. And it starts with a powerful integration platform, a platform with a foundation of connectivity, connectivity into any system, Salesforce systems or non-Salesforce systems. We need to be able to connect to absolutely everything. And then we need to be able to manage the full end-to-end lifecycle of the APIs that come along in those systems. And finally, we need to be able to discover them all. It's incredibly important for us to enable the folks in this room to discover all of the APIs and services that are available to you when you are building these connected experiences. Now, on top of that, we need a declarative UI. We're a little bit big on that here at Salesforce. We want to enable the admins. And so we're building a new UI called Integration Builder, which enables all of the admins and developers in this room to declaratively connect all of these systems together, to define your common customer model or your single view of your customer, and then to top-down globally manage all of your rules and policy management and governance in our secure and trusted environment. And then finally, you need integrated experiences. Once you have this platform, we want to be able to enable you all to build these better customer experiences, the type that you saw with the Marriott app. Now, of course, that means we're going to do it as well. Our cloud teams, I'm really excited to be able to build these better customer experiences, and our industry teams are excited to build better industry solutions. But perhaps the most important one, the one that we are so excited about, is enabling all of our Trailblazers. Our community, our Ohana, our partners, and our SIs, and our admins and developers. We will make this platform available to all of you to connect in, to connect your systems, connect your customers, and build these same types of experiences. And so what I want to do for just the next few minutes is we want to show you how this comes together within Integration Builder. So we're going to jump over to a demo. Before I do, though, I just want to call out our demo team in the back. I usually say the booth, but they've got a Jeep today. There they are. They're going to be putting in some work. Kara, can you? They're putting in a lot of work today. Kara, can you say hi real quick? I wasn't sure how that was going to work, but I kind of like it. All right, so we're going to jump over to the demo if we could. So here we are on the home page of the all-new Integration Cloud. And as you might expect, the first thing you can see when you get here is the systems that you have connected. So we've got Salesforce systems on the left, and we can click into that, and you'll see what you expect to see, which is all of the different Salesforce systems that you can connect to. But on the other side of that, you'll notice we have other data. These are the other systems that we can connect to. Now, we want to make this as declarative as possible. So up in the top right, we don't want to just have you go in and start adding systems one at a time. We want to kind of guide you through an experience. And to do that today, we're going to consider just a typical retail customer. And they want to create a better connected experience between a service and commerce interaction. And so we're going to look at some of the guides here that we have. We're going to click See All Guides. And here is an all-new way to discover integration. What we've done is we've taken all of the common integrations that we're hearing from our customers, and we're treating them the same way we would treat an app. We're making them discoverable and bubbling them up and enabling our customers to come in and search for what they want and then declaratively set up those integrations. So in this case, we're going to enable service for commerce, so we're going to go ahead and start that guide. And what this is going to do is it's going to guide us through everything we need to do in order to enable service for commerce. So the first thing we need to do is connect our data sources. So we'll start there. Now, as you would expect, we need a Commerce Cloud. We need a Service Cloud. So we'll get started with Commerce Cloud. We'll hit Connect. We're going to go through the OAuth dance that we've all seen once or twice. We'll click Allow. And just to save us some time, we have a system here that we've already blown out. We want to show you some more connected systems, so we're going to bounce over to that screen. So I want to call out something here, because this is really awesome. So you see the Commerce Cloud that we just connected, and you see the Service Cloud. But what's interesting about Service Cloud, it's not one Service Cloud. There's multiple. Multi-org is hugely important. When we were out on the road getting customer feedback, all we heard over and over again how important it is to connect multiple orgs within Salesforce. And there's all sorts of reasons why you have these multiple orgs. It might just be regional like it is here for our retail customer NTO. We've got a Sales Cloud, but we've also got a third-party data source. In a retail environment, loyalty is incredibly important. In commerce and service, that loyalty information, there's all sorts of interesting things that we would want to do with that within the context of a customer experience. And so we've connected a loyalty provider to our data sources as well. OK, so we're all done. We're done connecting our systems. It's time to connect our customers. There is customer data in each of these systems, and we want to map that to a single view of that customer. So we're going to do that. We're going to click Map Data. And here we are, again, a declarative UI to create that common view of the customer. On the left, all of the data systems that we just connected, all of the fields and attributes that are in there. On the right, the extensible common view of your customer. This is all the data that you can bring in and make available in any experience. Now, you can see we've automatically mapped some of these data fields together. We understand the metadata between the two, so we're able to do that. But you'll notice up on the left in our Northern Trail Outfitters North America Service Cloud org, we have a custom field. The custom field is called camper name. Now, we want to get that custom field into our canonical model on the right. So to do that, we don't have a field yet for it. We need to create a placeholder. We need to create a new field. So we'll click Edit List. And the nickname, that'll work. We'll just go ahead and click Nickname. We'll use that. We'll hit Save. And we've now added a brand new field to our common customer model. Now, all we have to do is map the camper name custom field over there. And we do that just like that. Just a quick click, and we're all set. Super, super easy. So we're done connecting our systems. We're done connecting our customers. Let's go ahead and hit Save. We've earned our first Integration Cloud badge. Now, before we show you, I love the confetti. Before we show you what the experience looks like, I just want to switch back to the dashboard, that first page we were on, and show you what we've done. So we started with no connected systems. We now have 3 Service Cloud orgs, a Commerce Cloud org, an outside partner loyalty data, and a Sales Cloud org, all connected to our global integration cloud here. And what we've done is, in the background, we have found 29.1 million aggregate customer records across all of those data sources. Now, there's going to be a lot of overlap there. There's also going to be a lot of white space there. Some systems are going to know the same customer, and some systems aren't going to know that customer at all. And so what the Integration Cloud has done is it's gone into all of those customer records, and it's matched all those customers down. It's reconciled it down to the 7.1 million unique customer records and put them into that common model that we just defined. The Integration Cloud did all of that for you. Thank you. So we're all set. We're just about done. What I want to do is we're just going to switch context here and bounce over to the Service Console and give you a quick view at how this comes together. So we think back to that phone call that I make. In this case, Robin Stone calls in. She's bought something on the NTO Commerce site. She's got a little problem. She calls in. Well, now our service agent has everything that he needs right at his fingertips. On the left, he has that common view of the customer. And that is the view that we defined. It wouldn't matter if we saw Robin in a service experience or in a sales experience. That common view is going to persist. And because we've connected that outside data source, we see all of the loyalty information right there as well, which might be really important. It might change the way that service experience is handled. And on the right, we have all of the data from the Commerce Cloud. And that's really neat. Because we mapped all of that customer data together, we have a federated view of who that customer is within each of these data systems, and we're able to reach into those systems and pull out the data that we need. In this case, what's in her cart and what she's ordered in the past. So now we have everything we need to make this an amazing connected experience. Our agent doesn't have to go anywhere else. He's happier, and that's going to reflect down onto Robin. She's going to get a better experience as well. And that's what the Salesforce Integration Cloud does. We connect all of your systems, we connect all of your customers, and we connect all of your experiences on any device. And that's the Salesforce Integration Cloud. Brett, back to you.
Thank you. Pretty awesome, huh? So I'm very dark. It's the mystique right going on right here. Good. No, it's all good. So Integration Cloud, our vision is really simple. We want all of your applications to be more connected. But how do you build those applications? That's the power of Lightning.